Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Ban kami yakor kompentri kami ki skim Sorkar baper hakani ke jela Meghalaya bikin nyat bat yaranti klem kinu ke jing tko hakakam bat kor kompendot yaka pisa pilan menta ka kanti ke Sorkar jela Meghalaya ke Meghalaya United Alliance 2 kalawan ra ikor kom trekam ke batamai hakaba pentri kam yaki skim dak ba Pynkup boru yaki Paidbah banyadan menta hakaba pentri kam yaki skim baper hak jela ban kami yakani kam ke Sorkar jela kala Thaw yaka kanhon ke bakar pang ke bala ai kerteng ka Social Audit Council bad hakane ka kanhon ki clear jong ki khat saw tuli kitnat Sorkar ki ba ka kam jong ki kalong bait bad upai ba kin long khot jong ka kanhon bad na ki seng tremon soba ha ke imlang salang kin don chiphongot baro bad yakane ka kanhon unclear the officer IS balasong that na ka kam uba toki wayo bla kum chairman.
Well, we will try to mobilize public, civil society to be part of governance, and they are there to carry out concurrent audit of developmental works and public services which are initiated by the state. And by this process, what we hope to achieve is a major amount of transparency and accountability in the initiatives, developmental initiatives, and also to bring in that concept of public ownership over government developmental schemes. So this is a very important issue, where the public will become owner of what is happening to them.
Beauty of the social auditing is that in the first instance, it is going to create an environment where there be less scope for any irregularities to be committed in the course of implementation of program. Because as you embark upon this whole exercise of social auditing, you are going to involve the stakeholders. And on a concurrent basis, you are able to do the auditing, and therefore, immediately, mid-course correction can be there. Therefore, it is less with an intent of penal action or post-mortem auditing. It is a concurrent auditing process. Therefore, there is less time spent for post-morteming and post-mortem auditing and the whole exercise, which is usually very, very long drawn on taking penal action.
It's basically bringing in the concept of good governance.
This includes of MLA schemes?
Every scheme whichever are funded by fund resources from public exchange.